Wow. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isaac and welcome to Zuko Media. Yes, this is Zuko Media channel. It's all about tech, about coding, about software engineering, and I'll be posting more and more videos about tech and stuff that coordinated on this same channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can become a Python software developer or a Python software engineer. So most times this software developer or software engineer was used interchangeably with one another, but in this context, in this video, I'm using software engineer. So if I'm referring to software engineer, I'm also using the word I'm also using the word I'm also referring to what software developer at the same time. So I I've been a software engineer with so many years of experience now, and I have just appreciate myself. I've thank God for everything He has done for me so far. So I also appreciate myself. I've done well by God's grace, and yes, in this video, I'll be talking about how you can become what software a Python software developer. So, if you are becoming a Python software developer, why do you want to become software? Why do you want to become a software developer? Let me put it that way. So, is it because I want to become a software developer to make money? Some people reasons are for what? For money sakes. For people reasons are for what? For popularity. For we have so many reasons, so many various reasons for people dive into what software engineering. So for I think and I hope people watching my videos is someone who is always passionate about doing or building something cool for himself or for his friends or for a company he is aspiring to get into as a software engineer, as a prospective what software engineer. So I can become a Python software engineer. The first step is you're picking up a Python book or picking up a course online, either Udemy, either Coursera, either YouTube, because YouTube now is the most used learning tutorial, learning tools online now. Like the big platform for most beginners. I want you to harness the use of what YouTube for what's your learning process, because I have gained a lot from using YouTube, a lot, like massively from YouTube. So I will endeavor you to make use of YouTube, because YouTube is free. You don't need to pay for anything, and all these tutorials are coming in a visual form, and you can learn and practice and do something similar to what you've watched or what you have learned so far. So that's just how it is. If you decide to pick up a Python, if you decide to pick up Python as your first programming language. So when you are able to grab the basics at the end, the basic fundamentals of programming or Python. So you can decide to move into either building web applications, can decide to move into AI, can decide to move into data science or data analysis, can decide to move into hacking. So we have so many various fields under Python. It's a multifunctional programming language. So pick up what you're already passionate about in tech, especially in Python programming. Is it website? Is it building mobile app? Because some frameworks are being released now that are being used for mobile app. You have Kiwi now, it's used for mobile app, and it's not. I think it has some communities that are maintaining what that Kiwi framework. So and it's just a multifunctional programming language, and I think with this video I have able to discuss. Yes, I mentioned how you can become a Python software engineer with learning the basics. When you are cool with the basics, pick up something you are passionate about. That's the second step. Is it website? Is it building robotics? Is it building AI tools? Is building AI models? Is it getting into data science or data analysis? Is it getting into too many fields, into web scraping? Is it agriculture, fashion? It's just so multifunctional. So pick up what you are really passionate about in this Python world, in this Python programming world, and they dive into it, learn how it works. You can decide to pick a course on Coursera. Maybe if you feel like I want to dive into deeper on this kind of field, you can decide to pick up a course in Coursera. And when you pick up a course in Coursera, you know how to make use of what you're working on, and at the end you can be able to put all your project, all your side project you work on your in your CV or your resume. So for a prospective employer aspiring to hire a good person in this kind of field, who will be eager to employ you because he has seen what you have worked on, he has seen you have certifications on some field, on this programming field, on this what robotics field, if you decide to move into robotics. So I think that is it entails for you to become a Python software engineer. So if you have any question about this video, I discuss how you can become a Python software engineer in this video. If you have any question, kindly leave it down in the comment section below and I will answer your question.